The answer is the second choice. The first choice doesn't make any sense at all. The difference between the second choice and the third choice is whether we use the encryption function or decryption. And the reason that we're using encryption function just like we did in encrypting is because when we're decrypting, we have these ciphertexts and we're trying to get the messages. So we're just trying to go through these XORs in the reverse direction. That means we need the same exact thing that we had in encryption to XOR out, which is the result of encrypting these XI values.